Hope you good, guys. Yo, what a weekend. Hope you also have a great week this week, a fruitful week. Guys, nansi indaba kaMbuso Mandela. Umuntu lo is always in trouble. And always in the center of crazy things, wrong things. At some stage, you remember, about a year ago, he was arrested for DRUGS. He was found with those kind of things, iyobisi, neyidakamizwa. Manje he was arrested again. And I don't understand him. I don't even think it's a curse or anything like that for the female. But even ngisho indlu kaZinzi Mandela, no one has stayed in that house for years. It's next door in some house that I know, like a Houghton. How? When they said it's her house, I was just like, oh, guys, what's going on with this family? Semine naga Mandela, basi injani indlu, izimila utshani inside the house. Like, what's going on there? He was staying there, lo, and Umbuso Mandela, and it's just not working out. He's owing, he's all over the place. And then you respect to but I'm just like, you know what? It's not even about the black sheep thing with him. I just feel he can't get himself up properly, this guy. What's going on there? And he now faces eviction there at that house, Mandela and Houghton. I'm just like, bruh, why can't you just when isn't they right? Because I don't even think even when it comes to work, he cannot find work somewhere, guys, and do something with himself. It's just something that's not right with him. I'm just not sure what it is. And I'm trying so hard not to judge him. And the eviction is actually coming from the High Court. Ugusi, he mustn't be evicted from the house. The next thing, nobody is like gathered up some money, you know. Uguti, they shouldn't be evicted. Ngapha utholakala eMonte Cassino, ubusy nama-DRUGS khona. And then he was apprehended and was arrested. Guys, okay, guys. Guys, Mandela was arrested to be free in life. And he was free and became the first black president in South Africa. When we arrested him bad. Like, you cannot even be serious right now. So he was arrested just like that. Like I'm saying, it's not the first time, guys. Like, he's involved in crazy things with crazy people. Dangerous things. How do you even involve yourself in such? And it has been said when he was found by the police, he was using iyobisi at the time. That's when they arrested him. Singmovele ku-DJ Kofi, who was fine with what they had with Umbali. Enhle Mbali, they came to some decision last year. Umuntu jiki sejikile. No, actually no. I'm going to Concord now. Ngeke phela ngizodlala umuntu imali yami engaka. 2 boys akusiwona umdlalo, and those boys bafuna kuziphi icall. I'm sure the most expensive 5 schools here in Johannesburg. I'm just assuming. The next thing, for the he's just playing some game now. DJ Kofi ngabokhokhela lezi ngane. No, Enhle Mbali, spousal maintenance. Hey, foot, I tell you. And those people, they live posh lives. Baphila lapha eHyde Park though abantu. Ishisentsini futhi abayahambi. Just as much as his sentence is also posh. She's always there in that small Hyde Park situation there. She had a shop there also at some stage. I wonder if her shop is still there. I don't even know anymore. But I'm just like, she went back down. Uyayifuna leyo mali. Angazi ukuthi who's advising DJ Kofi, guys. I'm advise guys. No. Honestly, Black Kofi now must just grow up. Angimazi what is he trying to do, dragging this thing, and people are now dragging him to filth. They're enjoying him up everywhere. Na good tweets. They're like, how when please busy wasting our time. There was no problems, because also at this point I just feel like he spent a lot of money going to these lawyers. Only without saying a word. What is hard because you do have the money. Like I said on the other video, going to Ibiza in Spain to perform Malin just one night. Hey, just give Entle that one night money for the next I don't know how many years until this event and the spousal man. And the spousal is actually 60,000 rands, right? And then for England is 25 each, which is about 110 apparently. But No, yonke it's just about 110. Mhlawumbe khona namanye amasenti guys asingeni nowhere, and I just feel like they're not enough. Those cents, it doesn't matter. And 110,000 for 3 people is nothing. Like why? Why are you even doing this? We're not fighting. Just leave Enhle alone and give her that money and leave us alone out of this. Busy involving us. Concords. Like, so Concord not must have been. But they must say you mustn't pay anything at all. You can't be serious. I think if it's in Tembulela Kuli the spousal, so 60,000, it's just like what? Which I still feel good in 60. No, no, for DJ Kof. Who wins in 1 hour? 60,000. So why can't you just give it to Enhle and just leave us alone, like honestly? You remember even the sister was involved after the court dates that they had Enhle with no Black Coffee. Ulungi Maphumulo was also involved. The party inside. Ngoba phela bathanda ukufakaza noma mezala bafakaze izinto abangazazi esefila ukuthi nje uEnhle wayumakoti from HELL. Angithi khona umlungu manje bagroova naye. They go overseas on trips. Manje so DJ Coffee, obviously it must look like uEnhle ahlanye. uEnhle akaguli ekhanda. And it's who've been. I mean, I'm one of the people who've been to maintenance court. Go 2004. Do you see the time now? There in Randburg. Ingaka movie Randburg ibe la ikhona. Some of us sihambile maintenance court sidlala abantu. Umuntu at the time wayehola 60,000. 60,000 is a lot of money. Go 2004, 2005 for a person efuna ukuthi wena umondlela ingane. Sihambile Randburg court ngesizithule nge-maintenance. We are not going to keep our mouths shut. Yo, abantu badlalile ngabantu. Abantu nje abakhokhe bayekele beyihlambalaza befuna ukuba semaphepheni and stuff. People must just pay. That's all. Coffee udlalile ngathi uyana ku social media. DJ Coffee nokwambona ku social media before ngoba kwakusisi wakhe was trashing Enhle phela lapha ku social media. Ethi wena makoti from hell awusiyeke ukubona. Okay manje ke DJ Coffee is just like nah, I'm not paying. Hey guys, ungaze spend imali 50 times le. You spend imali oyini usichithe isikhathi for 10 years so that ungekukhokhe. Some people and the guys in DJ Coffee, they're not young, you know, right? They know exactly what's going on right now. So abantu guys bayazenzela abantu sina some of us ngicina sasikiyeka. It's like let's just leave you. Ngezinto zakhathaza. Narani bakhothi yakhathaza kasi ngeke uzufisa lokuyihamba every day. He is citing a lot of things ukuthi angakwazi ukubhadala. Now he says the customary marriage he was not there, but sawubona sina umshado guys. Sayabona ivideo sakhona namanje on socials begida lapha na beshada. Ozwanzima umshado khona uthe lalela nshadana sinamona. Indaba ye-civil ne-customary marriage hayi ngeke guys, it's a lot. Yo, like sasithandana, we are in love but sekuyaxatshana. Sadonsana manje because of imali. Hayi mina ngizoke ngime lapho guys. Thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Like I said, I'm coming back with the bang la ku News Galore. Ngithanda over.